whys and the wherefores.
Our planet contains some bizarre scenery. Hard rock, shaped into impressive sculptures. Deep canyons, rock with different coloring. The Earth's crust is obviously being changed radically by mysterious forces. What's capable of shaping, cleaving, polishing, and grinding hard rocks like this?
One of these forces is water. Rain falls on this plain. The water seeks a way through the earth, encounters rock, which is harder than the other rock around it, and so takes a different route. The water cuts deeper and deeper into the softer rock, resulting in a canyon. This is how the famous Grand Canyon was formed. The different layers of rock are easily distinguishable through their coloring, and water is what's responsible for this striking landscape.
But other kinds of landscape are also shaped by water. Valleys made by rivers, though here the cuts are covered by soil and plants.
Waterfalls form when water encounters a hard layer of rock which suddenly comes to an end. One of the world's most spectacular waterfalls is the Niagara Falls in America. Here too you can see where the hard rock comes to an end.
But water can also build something up, as this example shows. There are chalky salts dissolved in this water, as the bluey-green colour shows. These salts have led to the formation of these unusual swimming pools. If the water is dammed up by branches or leaves lying across it, for example, some of this salt is deposited, producing limestone. This limestone soon fills in all the holes, and a basin is created. That's the explanation for this curious phenomenon. Swimming pools built by nature.
Limestone deposits can also be found in water pipes, but here they're a nuisance. You can see the limestone deposits on this waterfall too. Water solidified. Here you can see branches of trees embedded in it.
Why does a river meander through a countryside? The flowing water meets resistance from the rock, and this slows it down and deflects it. The water cuts deeper into the bank on one side than on the other. Here, the water flows more slowly. The material it carries along with it is deposited and makes the curve even more pronounced. This is why the water is always deeper on the outside of the curve than on the inside. As you'll discover if you wade through.
The material carried along in the water grinds the stones into a smooth, round shape, helped by the fact that the current causes the stones to move and they rub against one another. This is why stones from riverbeds are so beautifully smooth. Here's a brick rounded by the water. It was once the same shape as this one. This ball mill makes use of the way stones are ground down by rubbing against each other. Rough-shaped stones are placed between two grinding plates. Driven by water power, the plates grind the stones into spears.